Introduction. Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition and how making the right choices when it comes to food can unlock a healthier and more vibrant life. We all know that what we eat plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, so let's embark on this journey together towards better health. The power of nutrient-rich foods. It's no secret that our bodies require a variety of nutrients to function optimally. From vitamins and minerals to antioxidants and fiber, each nutrient plays a unique role in promoting good health. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your diet can lead to numerous benefits, such as increased energy levels, improved digestion, stronger immunity, and even glowing skin. Fueling your body right. Vibrant veggies. Dive into a rainbow of vegetables that provide a plethora of vitamins and minerals, from leafy greens packed with iron and calcium to colorful bell peppers loaded with antioxidants. The more variety, the better. Protein power. Opt for lean protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, and tofu. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it also helps you feel full and satisfied. Whole grains. Swap refined grains for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat. These grains are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Fruit frenzy. Incorporate a variety of fruits into your diet to satisfy your sweet tooth while enjoying the benefits of natural sugars, vitamins, and antioxidants. Mindful eating. Eating healthily goes beyond just the types of food you consume. It's also about how you eat. Practicing mindful eating involves paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, savoring each bite, and eating without distractions. This approach not only helps prevent overeating, but also fosters a deeper connection with the food you consume. Hydration heroes. Don't forget the importance of staying hydrated. Water is essential for nearly every bodily function, from digestion to temperature regulation. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider adding herbal teas or infused water for added flavor and health benefits. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the path towards a healthier life through the power of nutrient-rich foods. If you found this information valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. We're here to provide you with the latest insights and practical tips to help you live your best, healthiest life. Remember, every small step you take towards healthier eating brings you closer to a life filled with vitality and well-being. Let's embrace the incredible potential of our food choices and embark on this transformative journey together. Stay healthy, stay happy.